Hey guys, what's up? We are here with another video on the Two Stock channel. Today we are going to be looking at the shitbox. Now, some things have changed on Set's shitbox. It is boosted. It is also broken. I boosted this thing a little over a month ago. It was running good, and then it wasn't running good. So today we're going to be pulling the head off, figuring out why it's not running good anymore. So as you can see, it shot out some oil, a bit of oil down there, out of the breather right there. So not a terrible amount, but it blew oil out. And cylinder 2 has no compression on it, so I don't know what happened. Maybe burnt the piston, cracked the piston. Timing might be too spicy, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna get going on pulling everything apart on this guy, and we'll see what happens, or see what happened. And for those wondering, it was on about 22 degrees of timing on the top end, and 9 pounds of boost. This is a Max Speeding Rods TO4E with a 63 AR housings on it, and it has RC550 injectors, V1 Hondata, and a Aeromotive 340 fuel pump, and it's just been running on 91 octane. So yep, not too sure exactly what happened. I've beaten the shit out of the car earlier, no issue. I put a full tank of gas in it and it was pretty empty, drove it pretty nice, and then the first pull I did, it wasn't even nearly as bad as the other pulls I've done on it. It decided cylinder 2 wanted to leave the chat, so we'll get the turbo off, get everything off of it, and check out what happened. Alrighty guys, so we have pretty much got it all apart. Everything is disconnected except the fuel line that I've told you like twice now. I'm gonna start cracking all the head bolts loose, and then put you up on my head there, and we'll pull the cylinder head off. Okay, let's attempt to pull this cylinder head off. Let's see, what did we forget to unhook? Hold on a second. Is it fishing through?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just need to do it this fuel line.
Okay. She melted. Piston melted. Look right there. Probably the injector. Joe can go suck a wee-wee. There we go.
You don't have a spot ready for it.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, let's just place it down and we'll stand it up on the intake.
Here, I want to take a look at the back of the cylinder head.
Doesn't look bad.
No, I don't see no pre-dent marks or anything, so...
So it didn't do the same thing it did on the
Ooh, look at all the oil I just leaked out.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm gonna have to clean that. Well, yeah, all the other pistons look fine.
One looks a little bit cleaner, but other than that, actually 2 looks fairly clean.
But yeah, that looks like it melted a piston.
This is the second engine that those injectors killed.
Yeah.
Yeah, these 2 look hot.
Yeah.
The other 2 look fine.
Cylinder walls still look good on all the rest. Yeah, they look perfectly fine. Put that connector back on. We'll bump the starter. Where I throw those keys. Alrighty. Is she down? Yeah, she's down in the hole. Yeah.
Yeah, it's still the piston. It looks like it was starting to do it over here.
Yeah. Yeah, look, there's the melt point right there on the cylinder wall.
Yeah.
You know what?
It was starting to do it on this.
I may be able to dingle ball that back out. I may just be able to drop a piston in this. This is not bad.
This one has the pressed connecting rods on this, right?
Yeah, I got extra pistons and rods.
Just swap them.
So
ball it, clean it out.
Yeah, I'll just pop the pistons out and with the block in the motor, or with the block inside. Alrighty, so that looks to be air damage there. This one does look like it was starting to melt too.
Where you're looking.
Can you see it now?
No, I'm just seeing it's pointing over here while you're looking out here.
Well, I mean, it's a pretty wide angle, so they should be able to see it. But yeah, these two cylinders tested fine. This one was low, this one had none. But that looks like it melted the piston. This one looks like it was starting to melt the piston. Fucking knew it. Alrighty. So
get 2 sets of fuel injectors.
shall we knock the... Yeah, I'm not gonna get 2 sets. I'm gonna get like a completely new set of injectors.
I'm saying 2 for that piece of shit.
I already have injectors for that piece of shit. I got ethanol injectors, like ethanol capable injectors for that one, because I'm going ethanol on it. But
so
I don't know, do you want to drop the pan right now and then
no.
pull the piston out?
No.
Why? It'll take 10 minutes.
Well, you can.
Do you not love me?
No.
Alrighty.
Let's deal with that head first.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh man, I'm...
Better grab some...
Okay, let's do something about that. Alrighty guys, so it's another day. Kind of nice out. It snowed some, so there's like little bits of snow everywhere. But it's actually been a couple days. But I did finally get the pistons out. So there's a look at all the bores. They're all not terrible, just the aluminum on the wall of that one and everything. Like, look, kind of looking upside down, but you can see all the cross hatching still. There's a bit of scarring there from one of the pistons, but yeah, all the cross hatching is all still there. And I literally just pushed it, pistons came right out. So I didn't even have to fight to get them out. There was no recess at the very top of the bore from these pistons yet. But so here's all the pistons. As you can see our culprit. They're in order from 1 to 4. But yep, so there is the piston that melted. It's kind of really stiff, so I'm not going to reuse this rod, but these ones are going to unpress the wrist pin in them and get the rods off of them. But over here I got there's new rod bearings. Got a new piston and rod kit here. So we are going to attempt to back alley rebuild that thing. But that's all for this video. Please do like and subscribe. Keep up in touch with everything going on between this turd box and that turd box and all the other turd boxes. But yeah, we killed the piston. I did have the injectors flow tested, and number 2 is screwed. So it does align with what has happened here. Number 2, like, he was trying to do an injector flow test, and it would either get stuck closed or stuck open or spray weird. It, like, he said he could flick it and it'll change how it was behaving. So the driver, something's messed in it. So I'm just throwing on a set of 750s instead of these 550s. May as well, but yeah, so keep an eye out for the next video where we do a back alley rebuild on this son of a bitch.